In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. If you're managing a list of clients or vendors and find yourself with duplicates or overlapping entries, consolidating them can save you time and prevent confusion. Let's get started with the process, which should only take around 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the Xero website and log in. Open your preferred browser and enter the Xero login page. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your email and password carefully to access your account. Once you're in, give the login button another click to navigate straight to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're focusing on today is the contacts section. Scan through the navigation menu and click on contacts. This should lead you to another menu where you'll see the option for all contacts. Click that to view the full list of contacts tied to your account. Now that you're in the all contacts view, it's time to find the contacts you wish to merge. You can utilize the search bar at the top of the page to help you quickly locate the relevant contacts. Once you've found the first contact you'd like to merge, click on it to view its details. In the contacts profile, look for an option labeled merge. Clicking this will open a new dialog or search field. Here, you'll need to type the name or details of the second contact you wish to merge. This allows Xero to pull up potential matches from your contacts list. When you see the other contact you want, go ahead and select it. You'll then be prompted with the option to merge yet again. Clicking merge confirms that these two entries will be consolidated into a single unified contact. Finally, to complete this process, you'll see an option to confirm merge. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're fully aware of the changes being made and agree to them. Click confirm merge and you're done. By carefully following these steps, you'll successfully merge duplicate contacts in Xero, leaving you with a cleaner, more efficient list. This is especially helpful for keeping your records accurate and avoiding any redundancy when managing communication or transactions with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your contact management in Xero. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks in future videos.